Prepare for an unforgettable experience as these incredible machines transform the landscape with absolute power and precision. This is a symphony of destruction and creation that will leave you in awe and wonder. Have you ever witnessed a giant tree fall? With a Varna 390 XPG 36T saw and a skilled operator, you're about to witness that epic moment. Get your popcorn ready because it's going to be an epic spectacle. Think this is just another tree cutting video? Think again. This lumberjack is about to perform a daring chop that will take your breath away. Be prepared for a moment of amazement. Oh my goodness, this is a master carpenter. With mad skill, he combines classical craftsmanship and modern CNC technology to create perfect lines. But what's truly impressive is that his creativity transcends boundaries, and the end result is truly stunning. Logging trucks are a common sight in the Malaysian jungle, traversing rough terrain and over makeshift bridges to bring logs to factories. This job requires drivers with experience and driving skills to deal with harsh conditions. The safety of goods and traffic is always a top priority. Have you used both the Jarcroc Evo Pro L Cara M and other logging machines? Please leave comment number 1 if you know the answer. The beauty of the Nitsula 555C locomotive, with its powerful cutting head and versatile Volvo 145 base vehicle, form the ideal pair for logging work in rough forest terrain. This combination helps cut, strip, and arrange wood quickly, bringing high efficiency and reducing costs for forestry companies. With prices ranging around $250,000 USD, it is an investment in efficiency and excellence. This is why you should remove dead or dying trees to help protect your landscape and prevent potential danger. The Edera root planer is a mighty tool of destruction with 3 hardened steel cutting blades that cut through wood like butter. Replacement pilot helps you aim accurately, and drill extensions allow access to stubborn stumps. Combined with the auto drive on the wheel loader, you will see tree stumps quickly disappear into sawdust. Oh, look, it's going the wrong way. Cutting down trees is not an easy task and can be very dangerous. Fortunately, no one was injured in this situation. This chainsaw is truly a monster. With a 7-horsepower motor and 67-inch steel cutting bar, the MS-881 easily cuts through large logs like it's nothing. The sawdust flying everywhere and the rich smell of wood was impressive. No doubt about it, Known for its durability and outstanding strength, the McAR 600 is the top choice in the logging industry. With its durable engine and sturdy construction, this vehicle is ideal for transporting heavy loads across challenging terrain, ensuring safe and successful wood deliveries. With his magical chainsaw, Kai, the talented sawyer, gently put ancient trees to their final sleep, becoming a legend of the green forest. This summer, I had a fun adventure cutting down redwoods and Douglas fir trees in Humboldt County, California. Standing in front of these giant trees, I feel the magic of nature. The roar of chainsaws and the sound of falling trees made me feel like I was part of the process of creating a valuable product from the forest. For the past 4 years, this stubborn stump has defied the elements. Today, it faced the Oliver 1650 and Kaiser 6x6 as the ground shook and tree roots screamed. In the end, man and machine won, creating an impressive spectacle with the linear rickshaw. The Magnum LT, a popular device in woodworking workshops, stands out for its large wood cutting and processing capabilities. With its sturdy design and impressive performance, this dual-blade miter saw can tackle any type of wood quickly. The cutting speed of the Magnum LT is truly amazing, helping to increase productivity in woodworking. In the cold air of Austrian autumn, the John Deere H480 diligently felled towering pine trees and stripped their branches. The roar of the engine blends with the rustling sound of the wind, creating a beautiful picture between humans and nature. Lifting heavy objects is a challenging job that requires experience and precision. These professionals skillfully balance power and control, ensuring every load is transported safely to its destination. Tyray Timber Training's newest recruit has successfully cut down a mature pine tree more than 10 feet in diameter. He deftly navigated the challenging passage with the help of a mighty 661 steel chainsaw equipped with a 42-inch saw bar. Congratulations on a job well done. These monster trucks always surprise us, right? Their length and strength are truly impressive. The perfect combination of timberjack and beam not only conquers every slope, but also touches my soul. Talented operators create unforgettable moments, combining machines and nature. A reminder of the past, cross-cut saws like this have become rare and are now a distant memory. The VTZ Plus is the fastest vertical bandsaw, ideal for cutting inclined logs. Designed for high power and precise cutting, the machine combines speed, energy efficiency, and high resilience. This innovative design ensures optimal performance, making it a great choice for those seeking precision in woodworking. With the roar of the engine, the firewood processing machine operates at full capacity. Large logs are put on the conveyor belt and pulled through sharp saw blades, and in just a few seconds they are cut into bite-sized pieces, ready to burn. Thanks to firewood processing machines, wood exploitation and processing becomes fast and satisfactory, meeting the increasing demand for biomass fuel. The Panguipuli forestales crossed the river like sharks in swimsuits, so fast that everyone on the shore exclaimed, "Please, don't let the jungle overwhelm us." The Galician pine sawmill delivers impressive wood conversion efficiency with high cutting speeds and smooth processing, optimizing productivity and reducing downtime. Really, the cedar trees here are like giants. It's interesting to know that it's possible to make a trampoline without levers, but what about more complicated methods? Check out this awesome DIY mini chainsaw. Who knew you could make something so useful out of wood? I'm dying to try it. Does anyone else see themselves becoming this skilled? In the pine forests of Europe, Komatsu 951 and C144 operate as tireless warriors. The Komatsu 951 easily pushes giant logs, while the C144 meticulously handles each branch. The roar of the engines surprised everyone with their power. The cutting system quickly turns pine into quality logs. I was overwhelmed when I entered the largest sawmill in Indonesia. Thousands of giant logs are neatly arranged, waiting to be processed. Sawmills operate non-stop, creating rumbling noise. I can't believe a place like this exists. A working day for lumberjacks in the Pacific Northwest is full of excitement as they conquer giant trees amidst majestic nature. Two workers stood next to a giant log in the sawmill, ready to start work. The chainsaw roared, its sharp blade cutting through the thick layer of wood, each person working in harmony. The larger piece of wood gradually splits, revealing smooth wood grain, proof of their expertise. Completely different from traditional wood splitting methods that take a lot of effort and time, the 300-ton atom splitter offers a completely new solution. With high capacity, the machine meets the needs of factories, farms, and households, while reducing the risk of danger and protecting the health of users. Image of a worker manipulating a log through a bandsaw, the rapidly rotating saw blade cutting through the wood. Pieces of wood mulch fly everywhere in the air, creating a space filled with a new wood scent. With tree driving, fallen trees become art. Skillful craftsmen turn ancient trees into living sculptures, cutting them down in the right place without damaging the surrounding environment. The feeling of mastering nature and creating art from wood brings me boundless happiness. When we received news about the incident, we were very worried. Rescuing equipment stuck in the middle of the forest is a big challenge. The Camox EX-TREME trailer is as muscular as a warrior, easily conquering large forest slopes. It's amazing how it can carry so many heavy logs without any difficulty. Discover the flexible solution for every wood workshop that we offer you, Woodmizer Elks 55, capable of adjusting to cut wood of different sizes and thicknesses. The intuitive control interface makes it easy for users to get used to and operate, even for beginners.